Today we're driving to a place known for three things: red light district, coffee shops, and the Pannenkoekenboot. Today we're at the Pannenkoekenboot in Amsterdam. It is a 75-minute long boat cruise on the Amsterdam Canal where you can eat unlimited pancakes for 75 minutes. The current record on their website is 18 pancakes, but Beard Meats Food did break the record about 2 months ago, so the current standing record is 22 pancakes. Let's get on board and try to beat the record.
Those pancakes you can find on the lower deck here behind me. From left to right, you have a choice of bacon, apple, and natural pancakes. In the middle, of course, we have our different toppings which you can choose of. Decorate your pancake exactly how you would like it. The plates, the pancakes come on. After you've eaten your pancake, your plate is empty. You just put them, stack them up, and put them at the end of the table, and we'll come pick them up with you during the entire cruise. Next to the pancake cover is the cutlery and napkins. We do ask you to keep your cutlery for your time just eating, because otherwise unfortunately we won't have enough for everybody. And for the first round, and the first round only, I will come to invite you per table, so we don't get a very long queue over here for pancakes. So please stay seated a little bit longer so we can invite you, and after this round we go as many times you'd like. This is my talk, guys. Thanks for listening. Enjoy, geniet ervan!
There are a lot of toppings you can choose from, but for the challenge I avoided extra protein and fat and just used sugary toppings. So, I got my first pancake, just took a plain one because it's pretty busy right now. Everyone is taking their first pancakes, so I did just take a plain one, no toppings, so I can go back quickly. They're still very hot. It's been a while since I ate some pancakes, so it's nice. I asked them that I could keep every plate. Normally I should be able to, so you guys can rack them up.
Are you happy marshmallows? Yeah.
First one is finished. I'm gonna take you guys with me to get a refill. Now the bad news, my main clip got corrupted on my SD card because I tried to switch the batteries and forgot to stop the recording with the camera. So the next clip you're gonna see me disappointed that my main footage is gone. I still wanted to post this and see this as an important lesson in the future. Little spoiler because I can't show all the progress during the eating challenge. I did break the record on the website, but I didn't dethrone Beard Meats Food. But I'm gonna go back soon, film it again, and will definitely beat the record of Beard Meats Food next time. De heb ik foutje heb geklikt. Ik denk dat alles deleted is. Ja. Memory card was een storing, ja. I think I just fucked up the memory card. Huh? Stond er niet op. Nee, ik was vergeten te stoppen, pauzeren, met die batterij te halen.
Hoeveel moet je er nog?
Nog 3, maar het gaat hem niet worden zo.
Nee?
Nee. Het gaat hem niet worden.
Oh, zo dichtbij.
Het zijn de laatste die het moeilijkste zijn. Zo.
Ik eet er 1 voor. Ik heb er net 1 voor lunch gegeten. Altijd. Dus ik vind het al heel erg knap.
20 is iets. I'm defeated at 20. Can't do anymore. I'm struggling so hard to swallow the last pancake. Just the weight of these. That's yeah. I did manage to eat 20 pancakes, so that's 3 short to actually beat the record.
Gaat hij me wel posten?
Ja, ik ga het wel posten. Now I just have to pick a snack for tonight.